Unraveling the Mystery, Catching One's Death. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind the phrase, catching one's death. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, books, or even in casual conversations. So, grab a cup of tea, and let's explore together what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday English. Catching one's death is an idiom that means to catch a severe cold or illness, typically from being in cold weather, that could potentially lead to death if not properly treated. It's a hyperbolic expression, meaning it exaggerates the seriousness of catching a cold to the point of death. While it's not meant to be taken literally today, it does emphasize the speaker's concern about getting sick from being too cold. This idiom dates back to a time when the connection between cold weather and illnesses was not as well understood as it is today. Before modern medicine, catching a severe cold could indeed lead to more serious health complications, making the phrase more literal in historical contexts. It reflects the old belief that exposure to cold weather could directly cause one's death through illness. Now that we know what it means and where it comes from, let's see how you can use catching one's death in sentences. After walking home in the rain without an umbrella, my grandmother scolded me, saying I was going to catch my death. Make sure to bundle up before you go outside in this blizzard, or you'll catch your death, warned the mother to her children. He was out in the cold, shivering and wet, as if he was trying to catch his death. These examples show concern for someone's well-being, emphasizing the importance of staying warm to avoid getting sick. And there you have it, folks. The phrase, catching one's death, is a colorful and slightly dramatic way to express concern about someone getting seriously ill from being too cold. While we now understand that the cold itself doesn't cause illness, this idiom remains a part of the English language as a reminder of past beliefs and to express care for others. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase in your English conversations. Stay warm, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.